Okay, here we are at the garden gate for the dog run. As you can see, the dog run looks really good. Still have a lot more work to do on it, but the gate has me concerned. So currently it swings towards me or out, and it's going to hit the slope on the earth. So that's no good. So I'm thinking of making it go in. I mean, it's been a great run for the dogs. You've seen some of the videos. So as you can see here, it's hitting the earth. And I need to get in there with the mower. So if I go inside, I can hinge it to come in towards me. And that might actually be better for a few reasons. One, when you're going out with the dogs, if you're opening it away from you, the dogs can just go. They don't have to wait for you to pull the door towards you. And the second part is, of course, it won't hit the earth because the earth is sloping away, and so it'll be above. So stay tuned for Dog Run Gates Rev B, or Revision B, as they would say. But this has been really great. We still have to get some wire in at the bottom and some bark mulch and the post caps, but the dogs are having an absolute blast. And we put this little step up out here to just sit on. Gonna have to build a garden bench. I'm thinking of a garden bench that'll go on the post, fold down and have a leg that touches the ground, and then when you're done with it, you can fold it up and take a screw eye and just lock it up for mowing. So, what a glorious day. Glorious day. I hope you're enjoying yours, and may you be blessed by this and other videos that I do. Walter out.